Before you scroll, if you've been stressed or just craving something cozy, this recipe is for you. Here's how I made this soft life creamy pasta. I dropped the fettuccine into boiling water and I let it cook. Now in a clean pot, I added butter and I let it melt. Then I added blended garlic, and the moment it hits the pan, that smell, this is garlic therapy, so delicious. Then I poured in my heavy cream. I added black pepper, and of course, salt to taste. Then I added Parmesan cheese, and I kept stirring it. You know the vibes. This sauce is rich, creamy, and not here to negotiate. And the pasta was ready to be added to the sauce. I drained the water out and dropped it into the sauce pot. And I watched it transform like a glow-up montage. I stirred it up all together while pretending I was the host of a cute cooking show. And it's ready. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick and luxury recipes. Also share to those you would like to try it as well. Thanks for watching. Thank you.